ignition sequence start. The engines are on. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff.
Hi everybody, Steve here. What day is it today? It's hump day! That was for James. He likes it when I do that. So today I'm going to shave with a razor that I got off eBay, and it's kind of the scales aren't very, they're natural and they're kind of old and worn out, and they're not very, but this is a 6/8 barber's notch, near wedge, or a hollow wedge, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty close to a full wedge, but it's got a little bit of very slight hollow to it on the grind. And this, and part of the manufacturer's name is rubbed off from time, but I believe this says Edward Barnes and Sons, Sheffield. You can try to read that if you want. It's kind of rubbed off in the middle there. Edward Barnes and Sons, Sheffield, I believe is what I read off that. And I'm going to give it give it a quick strop. Alright, it's been sharpened and stropped. I just wanted to touch it one more time just for good measure, because whatever. So just get out of the shower. And I got my Frank's shaving silver tip Badger 24mm knot. Lovely. And today's soap will consist of Tiki Bar Soaps, the Captain. Have a sample here. Got from the Dirty South Shavers meetup. Amanda was handing out samples, and I grabbed one. The Captain. So I've got my Maria Arman Through the Fire Fine Craft group bowl for the North America's Best Wet Shavers Club. I believe that's the name of the group. Anyway, the group bowl, she made it for the group, and I think she had some extras and she sold those off too. So here we go with the loading the brush. Ooh. Dash of water. Never used Tiki Bar Soaps before, so this will be a first for me. Heard wonderful things about them. Amanda seemed nice enough lady at the meetup to talk to her a little bit, but you know, I just for some reason have not. I think it's just because just looking at the website, at her website, I haven't really seen a scent that just grabs me and says, "Hey, buy this now." And so I haven't. That's probably the reason why. But there it is. There's the load. There's the load. That's a pretty good load right there. So let me wet this one more time. And here we go. I watched Douglas Smythe watched his video on blooming soaps yesterday or the day before or whenever it was that I saw it, and I tried the dry bloom method, and I don't know, it seemed to bring some stink out a little bit. I put the sample, I pinched out a little sample and put it in a bowl, and I set it in the sink with hot water, floated it in the hot water in my shave bowl until I got out of the shower. I didn't smell it, it didn't permeate the room, but I stuck my nose in the bowl and it smelled pretty good, so, you know. Got a nice lather here. So here we go. New soap, new knife. Let's see if it'll shave, shall we? Oh yeah. I do love a wedge. I really do. I know a lot of people prefer to have that feedback from a thin blade. I just like the way it feels. It just seems to me it feels like it's a I don't know. Got a little bit of weight to it, you know. That's where I cut the shit out of myself the other day. I might have just ripped it back open. It was almost healed too. Forgot about it. first pass. Not a lot of slickness left there on that. Not a lot of slickness at all. Smells good soap, you know, but it's not got the slickness that I thought it was looking for. Mixed it up with a good bit of water that time. I forgot shaverage. I'm kind of thirsty. Yeah. I'll wait till I get done. Yeah, I'm not slick. Good shave though. I mean, you know, when you tear all the skin off your face, you're gonna have a good shave. All right, let's see, Alan. Just a bunch of weepers. Got a bump there. That was my old neck. And then weepers that I, you know, cause I bleed when I shave because I'm not very good at it. So. Alan. And rinse that off with cold water. I'm going to use some Thayers Lavender. And we're going to finish him off with fine American Blend. Very nice. All right, folks. I appreciate everybody watching. Y'all have a good rest of the week, and I will talk to you later. Adios. Bye for now.